So I've been going through the trial and error process of trying to find a black pair of pants for quite a while now. You know, lots of hopefuls, many returns. But I think I may have found the black pants that I've been looking for with the Cara crop trouser by Citizens of Humanity. So the name sort of says it all, you know, cropped, pleated trouser. But what it doesn't mention is the tapered fit with the horseshoe silhouette. So I guess it doesn't say it all. From the picture, they look a little too horseshoe-y, you know, just a little too much. But as I have learned from many online purchases, is that sometimes the online image can actually be quite deceiving. And when it gets on a real live human body, it drapes differently. So that is my hope. I'm hopeful. Yes. I'm hopeful that these ones will be the one. Okay, let's see what we got. I mean, I know what we got, but you know. Leave you in suspense, you know. Tea weather. Well, I'm liking the feeling of these. They've got like a good thickness to them, which is sort of what I want. Is like heavy, but not heavy. Well, I think there's nothing else for us to do here but try them on. Okay, so there may have been some error judgment on my side for the sizing. My normal true to size is actually size 26. Both Citizens of Humanity, I'm normally a size 25 if I want it to be more form-fitting. And I went with a size 27. But I am intrigued by the pants. So I do plan to exchange for my true to size. So let's try this again. Okay, take two. So I returned the size 27 and got a size 25. And I'm glad that I did. They definitely run big. So if you are considering investing in these, if you are, you can find them at the YouTube affiliate links down in the pop-up or in the description. Definitely take note that they do run a bit big. So here's the thing, I genuinely don't know if these are the pants for me. I'm sort of mixed, just still not sure it works within my comfort zone. But this is the thing I'm trying to work through. Is that a good thing? We're just gonna try these on with my go-tos. My go-to layering pieces and my go-to shoes. Let's get to styling. All right, so first we're gonna try my go-to pair of sneakers that I wear in the winter because they're waterproof and they've got good grip. And then we're just gonna go with my go-to polo sweater. I literally throw this on most days, yeah. Okay, so that's full length. I'm not necessarily feeling that. Let's just try cuffing, see where that gets us. It's definitely got a bit of edge. And I actually really like the cuff because it adds like a little interest, like a little detail, as well as that it adds some weight. So it actually kind of makes the pants drape a bit better. I I'm actually loving where the sweater is hitting on these pants because it hits right at the top of the pleat. So it's flattering in that way. That's a good sign they work with the go-to sneakers. So, and my favorite sweater. Okay, so. On to the next one. All right, I know exactly what you're thinking. I haven't got a new lamp yet. I know. You know, I'm just waiting for the best lamp design at the best price, you know? This is test number 2. We are going with the favorite boots. Yes, these are my favorite boots to wear. Probably even during the summer. I wear these during the summer as well. But I love these for winter because they've got grippies on the bottom. And I just like the height. And it's like a comfortable height. All right, so currently these are at full length. I don't hate that because, you know, because we have the added height, it sort of works. Do we want a cuff? Let's just test it. Yeah, see, I just love that because I love the just little added bit of edge. And you know what makes it edgy is you see the boot, is seeing the boot. Like when you invest good time and money into your footwear, you want them to be seen. So I'm going crop again. I do think I could go full length, but yeah. Okay, so let's add my go-to sweater vest. Yep. This is another Quince item. My go-to sweater before was Quince. Quince is quickly becoming my go-to sweater brand, I believe. That is just absolutely adorable, isn't it? Okay. Again, love where this sweater hits on these pants. And I don't know if that was intentional of the design of these pants. This is what I kind of mean about when you invest in something that is of high quality, you know that there's more craftsmanship and more thought put into the design. I gotta believe that whoever designed these pants over at Citizens of Humanity thought where a mid-length sweater is gonna hit. It's gonna hit right up at the top of the hip. So that's where they're gonna have the pleats start. And it just makes this boxy rectangle shape woman very happy. You're better than all right, check. On to the next. All right, so last but not least is the most worn pair of boots or most worn pair of shoes in the fall and winter time. I wouldn't say they're my favorite ones necessarily, but I like them because they're practical and they've got a bit of edge to them. So they end up just being thrown on a lot of the times. As well as that, they're really warm because they've got the faux fur Sherpa lining. Should we just save us all some time and just cuff them right now? Yeah, we know that's where it's headed. So I'm sure at some point in time I'll wear them full length, but go up a step, get a better, oh. From here, I sort of like the juxtaposition of the masculine, chunky, edgier boot, then paired with the more sophisticated, contemporary pant. Another Quince sweater. Is that a coincidence? I like the volume on volume that we've got going on. And then I think just like the white kind of helps to frame and slim the look down a little bit. So I think it's safe to say that this might be a closed case on the black wide leg pant. What do you think? Are these a keeper?
Bro, you gotta be proud of yourself. Don't wait to give flowers to self. Love, care, and bring value to self, cause you know that knowledge is wealth. Uniqueness is what you found in yourself. Being normal is crowded as hell. looking good with your talented self. Make this a reminder to self that like me.
All right, well, I don't think there's anything else to do but make more tea.